Need to know how to get rid of roaches? Watch this video for some quick tips to eliminate these pests from your home. 1. To get rid of roaches, remove their food, water, and shelter. Clean up food spills and crumbs immediately. Keep food in airtight containers. Mend broken pipes and faucets. And empty and clean garbage bins. Clutter-free and tidy homes deter roaches. 2. Roaches can enter through microscopic cracks and holes, so block access points by caulking or weather stripping any openings in your house. Check around windows, doors, utility pipes, and vents. Preventing roaches from entering your home reduces the infestation risk. 3. Use roach baits and insecticides for existing roach infestations. Roach bait helps one roach kill others roaches by allowing individuals to carry a slow-acting poison back to their nests. Place roach baits behind sinks and behind appliances. Baits and insecticides can target roach hideouts and travel routes. Confirm any insecticides are safe for indoor use before employing these methods in your home.